I used to think that learning was strictly memorization and that in order to memorize anything you need to review the information frequently in order for it to stick. But that is not how the brain is designed to learn. Learning is about attention and retention. When you are absorbing new information, you are paying attention to the present. Your conscious is absorbing that information into your short-term memory bank. Then it takes that information and transfers it to be stored in your subconscious as long-term memory. When it needs to use that information, it recalls that information, which is the retention portion of learning. It turns out that the process of converting information from short-term to long-term, otherwise known as encoding, is highly dependent on your present state. Your state influences the encoding process, which can change the information or mark it as unimportant, which will get it deleted before it gets to your long-term memory. This is how we have been learning incorrectly our whole lives. In school, we are exhausted from being up late the night before doing homework. And we are uninterested in the subjects being taught. This is the worst way to learn because we are in a negative state, and so the encoding process is going to require a massive amount of repetition in order for you to retain anything. If you want to 10x your learning capability, then focus on maximizing your state. Optimize to learn when you are rested, interested, and energized. Don't save learning for the end of the day when you are tired. Save it for the middle of the day when you are most awake. Make sure you are open to learning more about the subject you are studying before you study it in order to prevent a closed state or mindset. Move around to get your energy flowing, or have some coffee or tea beforehand in order to encode the information correctly so that what you are consuming makes it to your long-term memory. So, if you want to learn correctly and 10x your learning speed, then focus on your present state while you are learning. Make sure you are rested, interested, and energized. This will enable your mind to encode the information well enough to make it easy to recall later when you need to access that information. The more we learn, the more we earn, so make it a point to invest in what you know. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about making difficult things easy so that you can create a life worth living, subscribe to my channel and check out the rest of my videos. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.